Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to Ola Trending Mzansi. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. And I hope you will stay. Yo! Webatsari bomkosi Aishem. What I bring for you today, it is shocking. I am shocked. I was shocked. I think I'm gonna be shocked until the end of this year because why? So because recently we've been seeing Upindi, also known as Udagberry, and Ukamu Wama BBW. It looks like they are friends recently and they have a podcast together. We've seen them doing about Get Ready With Me. We've seen them doing makeup together. And on their podcast, Batsari they were discussing certain things. And allegedly, Batsari Pindi, or rather, Udagberry, revealed that Umau was allegedly on OnlyFans before she became famous. But I am still shocked even now. She further stated that despite Mahu allegedly being on OnlyFans, she managed to rebrand Batsari. And when we looked at Mahu and how we look at her even now, we do not see the OnlyFans girl, but we see a very successful music career built woman. Hashem Guning Impela, I am shocked. Let's hear on what Tip had to say. She once conversed about that on some podcast. Nevertheless, we've seen how people can pursue their talents and South Africans support them regardless their flaws. Now yenza italent lakho, besides that, will support you. Girls pull each other down all the time and somehow blame men. If Mawu doesn't talk about her past on OnlyFans, what give her the right to talk about it? She was starting, there's only one video of her twerking on OF. That was it. It was an introduction video. Then boom, music saved her. Then when we say women are evil, you blame us. What was she trying to achieve by saying all of those things about Mahu, purest from a satanic form? You, but this is indeed shocking, Shem. I mean, was Mao really on OnlyFans or it is just allegations? I am shocked. But if she was indeed, then she managed to do a serious rebranding because we do not see her on OnlyFans, but we see a successful young lady making beautiful music. Please do leave your comments down below. But what do you think? Was Mao really there or is just speculations? That's it for today. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.